You know, a lot of times you're driving your truck and you're carrying some very precious cargo, like your mother-in-law's priceless Louis XIV armoire. Hey, she wants it covered too. She wants some type of weatherproofing on it, like a tarp, so it doesn't get ruined. Well, how are you gonna hold that tarp down? Well, you could use a brick. I don't think she's gonna like that. It's gonna damage what's over underneath and my tarp too. I gotta think about that. Or you could use the grommets on the tarp to hold this baby down. And what is a grommet? It's a weird word, but think about what this is. It's a reinforced metal hole, allowing you to stick a piece of twine or a bungee cord through it and tighten it down. And all we have to do here is adjust this on our truck and tie it down. Now you could see this tarp's a little too big for my truck. I want to customize this tarp and make it fit my truck properly, not spending a lot of money. And you can do that very simply. All I'm going to do is measure out the distance I need of the tarp, cut it, and then reinsert these grommets back into the tarp. And I'm going to show you how to do that. It's not that hard. All right, I got my measurements. All I have to do now is cut my tarp. And I'm gonna do that using my new tool. And this is very cool. This is new by Stanley. It's the Quick Change Utility Knife. And the way it works is, say that blade gets dull, all you have to do is press this little yellow button, pop your blade out, flip it around, and stick it back in. Now you got a fresh blade. Easy enough. Locked in, just ready to go. Again, this thing is cool because it has storage capacity like no other tool. Check that out. The blades are back there. After the top is popped, just push it back down, and this thing's ready to cut. And watch me work. We need to make sure that the cut is right on this line. Right on the measurement we had. No problem. This thing's just ripping right through it, nice and smooth. All right, once you cut your tarp, now you're ready to install your grommets. So how are you gonna do that? Simple enough. Go get yourself the grommet kit. It makes it very easy to install those grommets. All right, here's a little tip when you're installing your grommets. Take your tarp and fold it underneath. This makes it 2-ply and gives a better reinforcement for the grommet. Take this little piece of wood which comes with the kit and place it underneath the tarp. Also, take your hole cutter, place it where you want the grommet to go, and give it a whack. Yeah, see that now? It went right through. Made a nice hole there. Remove the wood and take the grommet and stick it underneath. Before you do that, you want to take that anvil. The grommet sits on top of there. So once we have it underneath and in place, all we need to do now is take the washer, which sits on top of the grommet. Take your punch, and if you notice on the punch, it has a tapered head. This allows the grommet to mushroom over the top of the washer once you start pounding it down. Beautiful. Take a look at that, huh? Now this is something you can do very easily. Now you do have to do this all the way down your tarp. It's a perfect project for a rainy day, or if your mother-in-law comes over and wants to talk about that armoire. Hey, I'm busy. I got grommets to install. Well, I was able to cut my tarp down, get it all in place now, hook it up to my grommets, and look at that. I made my own customized tarp with a grommet kit for under 20 bucks. Now, my mother-in-law's priceless armoire won't get ruined by this weather when I transport it to Goodwill.